More than 8% growth in GDP of India is creating more opportunities and challenges. Enver Electrodyne has the right product mix to meet the needs of these growing sectors. Enver is for enriching environment, improving indoor air quality and better technical workstations. Enver Electrodyne Limited, formerly known as Kirloskar Electrodyne Limited, was incorporated in 1981. It was part of the multi-crore Kirloskar group of companies till 2002. Enver Electrodyne Limited, powered by innovative and quality attitudes, state-of-the-art infrastructure, skilled workforce, excellent R&D facilities, takes pride as a technology company. Sheet metal shop is equipped with NC CNC machine to give desired accuracy for modularity. Aluminum profile processing shop ensures multifunctional use of workstation legs and panel profile. Fabrication shop has CA2 welding machines, projection welding machines. Graded welders ensure welding for CRCA aluminum SS for desired standard. Enver has excellent pre-treatment and paint shop. Woodworking shop has all the equipment from cutting, grouting, laminating, edge binding, trimming, etc. This has enabled to make good quality tabletops and other components of furniture. Enver has in-house HEPA filter manufacturing. Filters are tested with scanning method which ensure better reliability compared to others. Enver has invested in various test equipments for cleaner equipments, oil cleaners and workstation to meet international standards. Earlier it had won first prize in the Ravi Kirloskar quality contest for 4 consecutive years. Enver has ISO 9001 since 2004. All products manufactured conform to international standards and are used by most demanding customers from pharma to space. IPO of the company oversubscribed 48 times. Cogeneration controls for 2.5 megawatt power plant for Ugar Sugar Factory developed and executed in 1996, first time in India. Silent DG set designed and developed and commercialized, first time in India. Many diesel power projects up to 10 megawatt were executed in India and in Oman. Power supplies for missiles Prithvi, Akash, Agni supplied to DRDO. Developed electrostatic oil purifier first time in India. Hindustan Aeronautics marketed them. More than 25,000 of cleaner equipments all over India and abroad. Exports of all product groups to various countries. Cooperation with Nigata Corporation, Japan for 2 megawatt and above gensets. Entered into technical collaboration with Kunur AG, Germany for manufacture of racks, chassis and workstations in 1993. Change of name from Kirloskar Electrodyne Limited to Enver Electrodyne Limited in February 2002. Management buyout on 24th October 2002 by Mr. Shripad Mirashi.
Air showers, air tunnels and air curtains are used to protect the process from dust and bacteria from the garments of operators entering the workplace. Recover precious particles like gold dust, milk powder from their garments and save energy. Our customers like Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, Fiat, Toyota, Volkswagen, Maruti Suzuki all rely on Enver. Auto manufacturers benefit from better quality of painting due to reduction of dust particles coming from uniform and footwear and body of the operators entering the paint shop. Enware air showers and tunnels and garment cabinets recover gold and fine precious particles from uniforms of the workers. Air curtains not only create air barriers but are used for extraordinary works like cooling the auto parts, creating noise barriers, for protecting operators from heat-emitting machines, providing barriers without obstructing the crane movement. Clean rooms and better rooms. Enware Electrodyne Limited offers a wide range of custom-designed clean rooms to cater to almost every application, ranging from pharmaceuticals to space research. Executed clean rooms in India span over 1 million square feet from class 100,000 to class 100 and up to biosafety level 3. Successful clean room can be made only through the carefully designed engineering system. Enware builds clean rooms to US and ISO 14644 standards. Enware executes clean room partitioning, flooring and ceiling systems, equipments, installation and commissioning, testing and validation and training. It also renders product support over
It may be shed from the body to the surrounding air. Pass into the room via special air handling equipment through the HEPA filters which we described earlier. The latest filters, called alpha filters, are efficient to 0.1 microns in size and will work at 99.99998% effectiveness. The room is always kept at a higher air pressure than surroundings so that the air always moves away.
Enware has executed a number of clean rooms all over India for various prestigious customers like Walter Pack, Intervet, BioConquest India, Shanta Biotech, Larsen & Toubro, Onida, Leelavati Nursing Home, Orchid Chemicals, Aurobindo Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, Sun Pharma, Lupin, Litaka, Kirloskar Brothers, to name a few.
Enware Electrostatic Oil Cleaner is suitable for superfine cleaning of hydraulic oil, turbine oil, transmission gearbox oil or similar oils which are not chemically decomposed during running. Oil get contaminated while in use due to dust particle, metallic particles and sludge formed due to oxidation. Electrostatic separation removes micro-level and fine particles from the oil up to NAS 163H023, which may not be possible with other conventional filtration methods like straining, centrifuge and mechanical filtration. Various models of Enware oil cleaners are available. Enware is accepted by over 150 top companies with 1,000 machines across the country including Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Tata Motors, etc. Enware Electrodyne has exported oil cleaners to UAE, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Nigeria, etc. Enware machines superior to their competitors in terms of quality and cost advantage over lifespan. Indian Air Force bought oil cleaners only from Enware after evaluating them against the competition. Enware Electrodyne Limited manufactures specialized technical furniture. Enware had license from Kunur, Germany for technical know-how. Later on, we developed laboratory workstations for research and development institutes, auto, healthcare and pharma industry, universities and colleges. Enware Lab Workstation provide the perfect blend of ergonomics, modularity, durability, striking good looks and user-friendliness. Enware use corrosion-resistant materials for lab workstations. Our expert team always assists users to finalize the models and materials suitable to their application and space. Enware fume hoods ensure the safety and comfort of the operator, process and product. Enware hoods are designed to offer the complete solution to laboratory ventilation concerns. Enware has specialists for the design, manufacture and installation of custom-made electronic workstations, testing workstations and consoles. Enware workstations are suitable for electronic and electrical industry, space, telecommunication, traffic control, power and defense. We supply all ESD accessories like ESD mats, wristband, grounding cords, magnifying glass, etc. Some of our customers are Volkswagen, Indian Space Research Organization, Whirlpool, Indian Institute of Technology, High Energy Material Research Laboratory, CL, Varroc, and Bharat Electronics. Many companies in India in pharma, healthcare, electronics, auto and precision engineering are using our filtration equipments. These use basic components like HEPA and pre-filters, chemical filters, ESPS, UV lamps, virus burnout units, etc. Jain Irrigation System, one of the biggest in the world, have a number of clean benches in their tissue culture division, working for more than 15 years with reliability. Different types of clean benches for variety of applications. Class 1, 2A, 2B biosafety cabinets with features similar to imported units and with lower cost. Static spark boxes and dynamic spark boxes. Fuel hoods and powder dispensing units for wide range operations. Vertical filtration units and mobile. Compact filter boxes and fan filter units. Nuclear, biological and chemical filters for shelters used for efficiency. Electrostatic cleaners enhance working of HEPA filters. Electrostatic cleaners are more economical as they can be washed and reused, long-lasting and have a very low pressure drop. Sterlite Industries, Godrej, Hindustan Petrochemicals, etc. have installed electrostatic cleaners in the air handling system to reduce filter costs to get better class of cleanliness and to reduce energy. Enver electrostatic air cleaners give most effective solution to this problem. It provides clean air by reconditioned air. The Enver electrostatic air cleaners are widely used in bank currency chests to remove the soil dust generated during the sorting and repacking of currency notes. The Enver fume extractors extract contaminants from oil mist from grinding machines, fumes from welding operations in shops, fumes from cooking etc. from restaurants. This sterile air environment protects the surgical open area from any kind of infection and also protects the patient from effects of septic condition. It reduces healing period, hence reduces post-operation curing period and dose of antibiotics. The need for sterile cleaner is pursued in ophthalmology, neurology, open heart surgery, transplants, ICUs and other surgical operations. Maternity centers also find this very relevant to provide bacteria-free conditions in the delivery room and child care wards. Enver has total system including partitioning, flooring, ceiling, air conditioning, filtration and product support. Enver provides sterile cleaner modules with built-in air conditioning for small hospitals too. The success is a constant chase. This is not possible without team effort of our board of directors, managers and staff, our workers, suppliers and above all our customers.